Red Cross ochiwo tiegruok ne jofwambo mawuok e kaunti ma Garissa seche mag koth machuok igeno ni koro dhi chakore gwengego kochopo dwe manyien. E puonj ma kamano jofwambogo ne onyisi yore mapiyo mag nyalo chiwo godo kony ma aruya ne jowetegi ka opo ni giromo gi midhiero seche mag bende koro gidhi nyime gi tijegi mag fwambo ka gikeyo e kinde mag koth. Jofwambogo bende ne onyisi mondo mi ginene gigoyo kogno weche mag fwambo mano ni ok gilando miriambo manyalo kelo athuwe e kind oganda.
On their day-to-day activities, especially
some of the projects, I think we can incorporate the media, more panic to the communities, and we also within Red Cross, what we would also
kulingana na utabiri wa hali ya anga inaonyesha kwamba mvua ya Oktoba, Novemba, Disemba itakuwa below average, yani haitakuwa kulingana ile kiwango inatakana. So tutashirikiana pia na wanahabari wa Garissa ili tuweze kufikisha ujumbe kwa community, kwa watu wetu ambao ni wakulima, wale ambao pia ni wanafuga mifugo, ili waweze kuwa na hiyo habari ndio waweze kufanya ile mambo ya early preparation na pia early action ili waweze kuuza mifugo yao ndio wasiweze kupoteza kwa ukame ambao inatarajiwa kukuja.
So when it comes to supporting the journalists on the ground, they can come to us, or when they are there, when we see what they are going through, we always offer psychosocial support. We have a department for that, the MHPSS. And then also for preparedness, we have been carrying out response activities in preparedness for any eventualities. So even the journalists, like during the training, they have requested for first aid training. That is a key point that we can start with within the region to also encourage the journalists. They can also support us in the field. As much as they're also there to cover the stories, the impact of what has happened, they can also join us in supporting to support the communities that have been affected.
Jofwambo mawuok e anyuola mochan ne kadak ma Kibra boma Nairobi oyudo fungruok tok yaw